Hi kiddies, let's start our today's session. The topic for the day is money from Unit 2A number. Today we are continuing the very same concept, money, what we have learned in our previous session too. So in today's session, we will do the rest of the application level of problem regarding the concept money. Before moving to the application level of questions, let's recall what we have learned about money. Money can be defined as a medium of exchange such as notes, coins, and demands used to pay for commodities and services. So what money means, it's a medium of exchange, and this medium can be notes, coins, and demands. Demands means nowadays we are using e-cards mainly, like credit cards and all. So that what I have mentioned here as demands, used to pay for commodities and services. So whatever things we use to pay for commodities and services can be defined as money. Is this clear? Okay, so now we will start our application level of questions where we will do the rest of the problem regarding the concept money. Let's start with the very first problem. Fatima and Elsa have the following coins. They share the money out fairly. Which coins could each girl have? And below you have a tabular column where you can see coins and number of coins. That is, below coins you can see 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents and 50 cents. Under number of coins there are some numbers like 4, 1, 2 and 1. Now from this tabular column, what do you have to understand? That is, Fatima and Elsa have 4 coins of 5 cents, 1 coin of 10 cents, 2 coins of 25 cents, and 1 coin of 50 cents. Now, what we need to find, that is, which coins could each girl have? Before that, they have written a statement like they shared the money out fairly. So how we will start the answer? In the question, the second statement is they share the money out fairly. What does it mean? They share the money out fairly means they share the money equally. So for finding the answer for that particular statement, they share the money out fairly, we need to know the total amount, the total money with them. Then only we can share the money out fairly, right? So we will start doing the answer with finding the total money first. Then we will share the money out fairly. After that, we will find the main answer, that is, which coins could each girl have. Okay, so the very first step is what? Finding the total money. How will you find the total money? In this tabular column, they have said that Fatima and Elsa have 4 coins of 5 cents. 4 coins of 5 cents means total how many cents? 5 multiplied by 4, that is 20 cents. So 4 coins of 5 cents implies 20 cents. Okay, what about 10 cents? They're having 1 coin of 10 cents. So 10 multiplied by 1, that is 10 itself. And they have 2 coins of 25 cents. So 25 multiplied by 2, that is 50. And the last one is 1 coin of 50 cents. So that is 50 cents. So now we find out how many 5 cents coins are there and total amount. So now we are going to find the total money that Fatima and Elsa have. That is, summing up this 4 coins of 5 cents plus 1 coin of 10 cents plus 2 coins of 25 cents plus 1 coin of 50 cents. That is 20 plus 10 plus 50 plus 50, which gives you a total of $130. So now we understand how much amount or money that Fatima and Elsa have. Now we will come to the second statement that they share the money out fairly. So how they share? Total money or the total amount is $130, and how many people are here? Fatima and Elsa, 2 people. So how will you share the money fairly? That is, share the money fairly as dividing this $130 by 2. So the next step is fairly shared equals 130 divided by 2, that is 65. So now we understand how much each got. That is, Fatima and Elsa both got $65 each. Now from this tabular column, we need to find out which coins could each girl have. So that is, each girl has 65 cents using the given coins. For example, that is, you need to share both the girls, that is Fatima and Elsa, 65 cents each with this particular number of coins. Okay, so how I shared is Fatima and Elsa both having $65. We'll start with Fatima. So how Fatima got, or which coins could each girl have? Let's start with Fatima as 50 plus 10 plus 5. So that together makes 65. So here in this tabular column, they have mentioned 50 cents. How many coins? Only one coin. So I gave that 50 cents coin to Fatima with 10 cents and 1 5 cents coin. So now the remaining coins are 3 coins of 5 cents. 10 cents are over, 50 cents are over. Now remaining coins are 2 coins of 25 cents and 3 coins of 5 cents. So I just distribute the rest of the coins to Elsa. So that together makes a fairly distribution. You can share the coins in anyhow. The thing is, they should both of them should get $65, and all the cents you have used for the fairly division should include the cents and the number as per the given tabular column. Okay, which means here I use 4 coins of 5 cents. You are not supposed to use 6 coins of 5 cents because it is not given in the tabular column. So with this information, whatever information given in the tabular column, with the help of that tabular column only, you can fairly distribute the coins to both of the girls. Okay, so this is how I distribute it. Hope you understand this question. Shall we move to the very next question? Okay, here comes the second question. Order the following amounts of money from the smallest amount to the largest amount. Okay, let's see the amount of monies. Okay, A part is $34, $3.50. Then comes $33.03, $34.50, $33.30. B part is 300 cents, $30, 334 cents, $34.30, $3.30. So what we have to do here, we need to arrange the following amount of money from the smallest amount to the largest amount, that is in the ascending order. So now concentrate on the amounts of money given. In the A part, it's a mix of 2 form, right? Like so in some here it is written like $3.50, and some numbers they have given the symbols only. So the very first step is just convert the all amounts of money in one type, like one format, putting a dollar symbol for every number. Okay, so I just made like in one format. Now it's in a mix of 2 format. I just make it in a one format, like putting dollar symbol to every amount of money. So that it's like $34, $3.50, $33.03, $34.50, $33.30. Why I put everything in one format? Because it feels easy to arrange the amounts of money. So now we can arrange the amounts of money from the smallest to the largest. So it's easy to identify and it's easy to find the answer. So how will you arrange the money? That is from smallest amount to largest amount. That is in ascending order. So which is the smallest money among this set of amounts? That is $3.50 followed by $33.03, $33.30, $34 and $34.50. It's very simple. The very same concept as in order. The only thing is the question they have given in 2 format, the amounts. One in the written format and one they express the money using the symbols. So what I did first is I just make the entire amounts in one format, that is putting symbols, so that it be easy to understand and find the answer. After putting it in a one format, I just arrange the number from smallest to largest as per the question. Okay, so shall we move to the B part? B part also, you can see it's a mix of two formats. Our very first step is to arrange the amounts of money in one format, putting the dollar symbol. So it's like $3, $30, $30 4 cents, $34 30 cents, and $3 30 cents. Now what's the next step? The very same process from smallest to larger amount. So that is, you need to arrange in ascending order. So which amount becomes the first? That is $3 followed by $3 30 cents, $30, $30 4 cents, and $34 30 cents. So here comes our third question. The cost of my shopping is $5 when rounded to the nearest dollar. A part, what is the greatest amount I could have spent? B part, what is the smallest amount I could have spent? So what the question is, the cost of my shopping is $5 when rounded to the nearest dollar, which means the cost of my shopping is not exact $5. Maybe more than $5 or less than $5. Whatever it is, when rounded to the nearest dollar, it seems to be $5. So we need to find what is the greatest amount I could have spent, which means that particular greatest amount should be rounded. When it should round it seems to be $5. Also the B part, what is the smallest amount I could have spent? So the smallest amount, the answer, the smallest amount, when you round it to the next dollar, it should be $5. So the answers should be like whenever you round that particular amount, you should get $5. Okay, we have learned this concept, rounding amount to the nearest dollar, in our previous session, right? So when we rounded a dollar to its nearest dollar, we always concentrate on the cents part. If the cent seems to be 50 or more, we will be rounding up to the next dollar. If the cent seems to be less than 50, the dollar part will not be changed. For example, if you have $1.29, the cents part seems to be less than 50, so rounding to the nearest dollar means $1. Suppose you're having $1.52, the cents part, it is more than 50, so we are rounding $1.52 as $2. So keeping this concept in your mind, we need to find the greatest amount as well as the smallest amount. Whenever you try to round these greatest as well as smallest amount, it should be $5. So shall we start doing the answer? So the greatest amount I could have spent is $5.49. Why? Because when it goes 50 cents or more, would round it up as $6. So this is the maximum or the utmost amount that can be spent. Why? Because this is the maximum amount you can round it to the nearest dollar as $5. If so, the B part, what is the smallest amount I could have spent? So the smallest amount I could have spent is $4.50, because less than 50 cents means it should be rounded up as 4. So this is how you find the greatest amount and the smallest amount. Hope you understand this question. Now it's a follow-up activity for you. Here comes your question. Order the following amounts of money from the smallest amount to the largest amount. So I have given you a mixed format. So what you have to do is, first step, you have to arrange these amounts in one format. Then order the following, like from smallest amount to largest amount. So do it in your Max Note and share it through Class Dojo. Okay? So that's all for today. Thank you.